Oh, my chicken didn't see you guys. Hello guys, this is Lizzie Men's channel and this is part 2. Part 2. So I already uploaded a video, so that's part 1. Do you want, so you could check that out. And just continue with 16. So you don't need any help, sleep, or eating. Just gonna check out something. What's right there? Let's make this. I get one. Let's see what we got. Oh, 16. Well, let's go to that. So first thing, this is the play, and the special ones are these ones. They look like gold. This one is a special one. It's number 9. Haven't got this Christmas. Haven't got 18. That's special. This is the heart bunny type thing. I think this is 27. This is going to the beach. 36 is special. And there's eating. This got the 45. That's special. This is the driving thingies. Yeah, I haven't got 54. Oh, we passed 16. So we're 16. Where is 6? That's right here. So yeah. Let's do something in the painting area. Everything black. So start with this. So, wait, we need it bigger. Wait, let's start over again. So red. So we color it in. I got 8 with this. I have to start all over again. Jesus. Christ. Do this color. If you hear a lot of Spanish, then that's my TV. My dad put on a movie for my mom and him. So if I'm talking too low, I'm sorry. I can't be that loud. Okay, so we got brown. Now let's do yellow. Yellow. Get some of that brown. Color it in. That's my little sister saying mine. Let's get this blue. I like this blue. This blue is kind of nice and colorful. Nice and colorful. Nice and colorful. Nice and colorful. I think there's no more space because I'm using too much overhead. Let's get out this game. Why do you always have to do this? You can skip this video. Skip. Okay. Ew. You don't need to look at that. Okay. So remember to close your eyes because that's just disgusting looking. It's inappropriate. Let's do some guitar lesson. Okay, so let's face the side of it. So ready? A-M-D-G-C. So we got one. Ooh, I'm gonna waste it on something. Ha ha ha. Wait, let's go to close. Let's see what we got today. So, whoops. Got that, we got that, we got that. We got nothing cool. All kind of cool. Whatever. So that, ooh, look. Ew. Ew. She's a burger. That's weird. Okay. Let's go to the glasses station. Look at that one. I want the two down. The purple and so let's see which one. What is these ones? Jeez, who's laughing? Okay guys, okay, let's calm down. My chicken. No. That looks horrible. Ah. I wouldn't even choose any of it. None of it. None of it. Ooh, should we get a beard? This. Just kidding. I'm not getting no beard. Those are pants. Okay. Nothing cool here. Nothing. Let's go to the room section. What do we got here? Nothing. The floor. Wait, let me check the floor. I like the floor. But I do not like the wall. Okay. Choose the button. Choose the wall. So where's the wall? So I really want. Oh my god. Why can't I search this way? This one. Yes, I got it. I don't like it. Oh my god, I just like my movie for that. My gold. Just for that. Which one will be perfect than that? What about this one? Just kidding.
Yeah, Safe Riders discounts and Total Loss coverage. I get an invite from Total. They have their customer service.
Don't start to
24/7.
Just like here.
Just like here. Anybody get a pack that needs reading?
this one. I'm just wasting my money for nothing.
That's progressive.
I like it. I'll keep it that way. Comment down below. I don't even know if I have. Comment down below if you want me to stay with this one, the polka dots, the navy blue, I think, polka dots, and with the purple wall. Or would you rather? I'd rather do this one. That's leaves in, yeah. So for now, I'll just stay with the. Yeah, don't comment down below. I really like this one. Actually, you guys could comment down below. And what couch should I buy? Wait, I want this one. It looks so nice. And I want this. I already have that couch. And good. I really like this one. And this microscope. And I really want. Yeah, I want this one. The 18, the mirror. Yeah, that one. Yeah. That's dangerous. The 750, that is dangerous. See carpet. So young. Oh, gold. I want gold. It's all gold. What? You guys are neat. I want the 25 gold. How much is that? That is 37. What? This is probably like 5 something. Nope. Okay. So yeah. Let's go outside. Play some basketball. Good. Uh-oh. Where's this ball? Where did this ball go? Oh. Okay, I'm gonna get goals. Yeah, fine. I'll get out. No, actually, let's go back. Let's go to this skateboard maybe. Where? Gimme, come on, let's go. Why every time it goes fast and I don't hit? Let's go to trampoline. Wee. Let's go to this slide. I didn't buy this, it just came with it. Another slide. See you guys tomorrow.